In the animal world, animals are continually finding prey and avoiding predators, so as either eat or be eaten. Antipredator behavior is essential to all animal life since it increases the chances of survival for the animal. This slow-motion video will first introduce two forms of signal, starting by gazelles and alarm calls by birds, with each presented to predators and conspecific mates respectively. It will then introduce orient response, freezing, and flight when the predators are in different distances from the target. Visual signals from prey can inform predators of their ability to escape. One common example of these signals is stalking. Stalking is usually performed by Artiodactyla, which are adult even-toed ungulates. It describes the action of an ungulate leap off the ground with all four legs held stiff and straight. This behavior can inform predators of their ability to outrun them, so it occurs frequently in response to causing predators who chase prey over long distances. In an experiment considering the incidence of stalking by adult Thomson's gazelles, a causing predator, the African wild dog, and a stalking predator, a cheetah, were both observed for comparisons. From the results, it is found that gazelles started towards wild dogs more often than towards cheetahs. This suggests that starting is a more common response to causing predators than to stalking predators. For gazelles, which were chased and killed by the wild dog, they were less likely to start during the hunt. In addition, when the dogs switch focal gazelles during a hunt, they usually change to one starting at a lower rate. All this suggests that the variation in the rate of starting could allow predators to assess the ability of potential prey to escape so as to select prey. A starting gazelle is less likely to be killed as a result of abandoned hunt. In addition to informing predators, signals can also convey information about risk of predation between group living conspecies. An experiment was carried out to investigate whether the mobbing calls of Siberian jays can simultaneously encode information about both predator category and the risk posed by a predator. The predator categories are hawks and owls, and hawks pose a greater risk to jays. Jays are categorized into family groups and non-family groups. The groups were exposed to poaching predators of different categories in different mount areas. Both of the vocalization and behavioral responses of jays were recorded. It was found that jays uttered hawk-specific calls, such as kee-kee calls, and owl-specific calls, such as croaks. Moreover, jays produce more calls towards hawks, which are more dangerous predators than owls. Family groups also produce more calls than non-family groups. This suggests that jays can notify conspecifics, the type of predators approaching, by predator category specific calls and report the level of risk posed by the predators. Letting the conspecifics know about the predator against predators, as the groups can be alarmed and may stave off the predators together. Kin group members even had higher efficiency of warning calls, which promotes a greater survival rate than unrelated groups.